Hello guys, today I will show you how to tweet from Threads application. So first thing you're going to do, you should go to your profile. There is a human icon at the bottom right. When you tap on it, you're going to be on your profile and you're going to see your threads. You can basically tweet every thread on this application. When you choose a thread that you want to tweet, you're going to tap on the paper plane icon, which is sharing icon. When you tap on it, it's going to show you a bunch of options. Add the story, post a feed, and tweet on the third. When you tap on tweet, it's going to lead you to Twitter application and it's going to show you your thread. It's going to show your caption and thread link. And you can customize it if you want, or you can use other Twitter features. And when you tap on tweet button, it's going to tweet your thread. So this is how you can tweet from Threads application. Thank you for watching.